This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Diesel fuel filter renewal. The fuel filter is located under the vehicle, attached to the left-hand side of the fuel tank. Unscrew the fuel tank filler cap to relieve any residual pressure in the fuel system. Make sure the vehicle is placed in first gear. Jack up the vehicle. Position it on axle stands and lower it onto the stands. Remove the jack. Position a suitable container under the vehicle, then drain the water from the filter housing by unscrewing and removing the filter drain screw at the base. Allow the filter to drain until clean fuel, free of dirt or water, emerges. When the filter has drained as much as possible, unscrew and remove the filter base, then remove the old filter from the housing. Be prepared for considerable fuel spillage as the filter base is removed. Then remove the filter from the base and remove the sealing ring from the filter base. Thoroughly clean the filter base and filter housing. Then fit a new sealing ring to the filter base, then locate the new filter in the base. Refit the filter and base to the housing and tighten it. Refit the drain screw on the filter base and tighten it securely. Use a jack to raise the vehicle, then remove the axle stands. Lower the vehicle to the ground and remove the jack. Refit the fuel tank filler cap. Finally, prime and bleed the fuel system.